Hey, welcome back here with Wrenching Mafia. First car of the week, first thing in the morning, first car. Customer complaint, check engine light, and misfiring. So we get a check engine light that's flashing, so it's definitely telling you it's an active misfire. So one of the things that our first symptom that I did while the car was cold started, it took a long crank to start. So like crank, 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 then it started right up. And as soon as it did, it smelled like fuel, like raw fuel. So definitely don't know, well, they definitely need spark plugs. They're all fouled. Especially this one, number 3. I pulled the plugs out, inspected this one. It's hard to tell, but you can just see a puddle of fuel in there. So what does that tell me? That we have an injector that's stuck open. But because the plugs are fouled due to the raw fuel, we're gonna recommend all 5 injectors and spark plugs. So that's how I diagnose this one. Off to the next one.